Keep your lure in the water. Don't just sit by the shore. There are souls to be caught everywhere in this whole world. Go where hearts are plenty. Don't just drift with the tide. Keep your lure in the waters of life. The Lord said, Simon, haul your nets in from now on. You're a fisher of men. Well, I like fishing.
Oh, yeah.
That's why it caught my ear. The Lord knew how to get to me and what I need to hear. Keep your lure in the water. Don't just sit by the shore. There are souls to be caught everywhere in this old world. Go where hearts are plenty. Don't just drift with the tide. Keep your lure in the water, in the water.
Coming to you from the foothills of the Great Smoky Mountains, it's The Christian Angler with your host, Tony Sellers.
Think about him.
He's pretty good fishing.
Man, he's pretty good.
Hey,